Saturday, yeah.
I missed the train. Just a little update because today has been such a short little moment for you guys on the camera, but this is more about the weekend vlog. Today is Friday, so this is more about a productive and fun weekend. So it starts tomorrow. I just got a few bits of editing done today, got my car sorted out, went to my cleaning job, which took me a while, had some food, had a little nap, which was nice. Prepared everything for this weekend and for tomorrow because I do have an interview and it is just outside of London, so I do have to travel a little bit because I'm based in Leicester. So it's going to be interesting and be fun. We'll see how it goes for a content creator job role, and obviously I love that kind of stuff, and I have been there actually once before to do a little mini kind of volunteer job, but everything's ready and I just need to get some good sleep. Yeah, the whole point of this vlog is really for this weekend, so that all starts tomorrow. So I'm super excited, but I definitely do need to get some sleep. I'm super tired because I'm up bright and early. There's something a little bit different this weekend, but it will be fun.
Saturday, yeah.
I missed the train. So Bar has come to the rescue and he's gonna take me. Not very that girl of me, I'm not gonna lie, but these things happen and it's life. good view right now, but this is the view. It is super, super cute. I love it here. This is actually one of the first places me and Jack ever came when we first met, and this is where it all started, really. Very countryside-y of us, but no, we were actually in this car. But how cute. It was all the way over there for people that really do not care. It was all the way that way. But yeah, it's just super cute here, super peaceful, super cute. And that's Jack in the car. Now I'm in a different angle, sorry, but my phone just fell over. Yeah, had a tuna sandwich, and then we went to Crazy Golf and just did some Crazy Golf today, as you've seen in the clips. And then we've just been basically out on a drive the rest of the day. I am here in the countryside. Jack's in the car because he doesn't want to get out. But I'm sitting outside on the grass with like a coat, and there's little sheep and lambs and cows and stuff, and the sun's out still, so it's nice, and the sun's heat is really lovely as well. So I am just going to do a little bit of editing, literally out here, just to spend some time in the sunshine. And then later on we are getting a Chinese, which I'm so excited for, and watching the new murder mystery, so that's really fun. But yeah, so now is time to be a little bit more productive. I have got quite a lot of editing to do. I've got a YouTube video to get out and also something to edit. I need to edit a reel for the job interview that I did do today, because I shot some footage and I have to create a reel for them, so I'm going to also do some of that. Then tomorrow, I am really not sure how this is going to go down, but we were meant to be doing a car boot, me and Daddy, and he has bailed on me. I also don't have my car. We do have Mummy's, but I don't have mine. And mine's are soft tops, and mine fits everything in it. I like all the poles and stuff, so I'm in a bit of a pickle there, whether to just go on my own or to leave it. But I really want to do one. I absolutely love a car boot. It just makes me feel great, and by the time I get home it's around 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. I wouldn't have usually got up on Sunday by that point anyway. So, and I made some dollar, and I've had some fun, met some people, and bought some cute little things. So yeah, I don't know whether I will be doing that tomorrow, but that is usually what I do on like a fun, productive weekend when it's spring and summer sets in. So next up is editing, and yeah, just like a little bit of like an insight to a busy, fun, chill and productive weekend. I just wanted to like vlog it all, as it was like quite important to me, and just a little bit of inspiration, you know, just to say like you can mix up your weekends as much as this. The weekends don't have to make sense. You can do so many random things. You can be productive, you can have loads of fun, you can chill out, you can do good for yourself, you can eat bad food, you can eat good foods. Like, I have been very, very balanced in all the different areas this weekend, so yeah, it's been great. My anxiety is quite bad though, so that is something I'm trying to work on at the moment. It has recently came on the past couple of weeks, but just a little reminder to just give yourself the time to rest, which I have been doing, and don't let it stop you from doing things that are important. Don't let it scare you from doing things, because I know it can make people feel really uncomfortable, and for me, I physically get very overwhelmed. I feel like I'm going to faint, and I feel like a lot of bad things are happening to my body, and I do genuinely feel the physical negative effects on my body, including like my hands going numb and my ears ringing, and then feeling like I'm going to pass out. So that is something that I pushed through the fear of today. Did feel a little bit of it when I was at the interview, but I just powered through it. And yeah, that's just like a little reminder to say, like, even though things can look all jolly and sound all fun, people do go through things, so please be kind to everybody. Yeah, I just really felt like I needed to say that, because it can be really hard, and you've just got to keep going, and stop letting it overtake your life. Don't let it beat you. As much as you can try, don't let it beat you. Get your rest, make sure you're getting the right amount of sleep. If you need to have a nap, have one, but do not seclude yourself and stop doing things that could be potential life-changing things for you, or like my interview, or things that are fun that could make you feel uncomfortable. If it's something you would normally do it, because your brain is just trying to stop you, and just trying to stop you from doing things that are going to make you happy when you're in this state of mind. So yeah, please do not let it control you as much as you can. I know it can be really difficult, but just push through it, which is what I've been trying to do this weekend. So hopefully that's like a little bit of motivation. go.
No, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. No, no, no. Hey, hey, hey. No, no. Hey, hey, no.
I'd go in, or they might know themselves.
So, ignore Jack in the background. This is just a little update. I'm really tired and I look a mess. But we've just been out here editing still because I've got so much to do. I've got an edit to send off to the people who I had an interview with. I have to create like a stop. I have to create a short for them. So yeah, I haven't even been able to have time to do like self-care and the proper Sunday reset yet. So we're gonna, why are you crying? So that's all gonna be done soon. Just finishing the couple of bits I needed to edit, and then gonna go back and sort this out and sort the room out and stuff and plan for next week. But I have actually done little plans whilst we're out as well. Just Jack absolutely loves driving, so I kind of do everything in the car because all we do is drive around. But there's my little plan for next week, so that's cute. And then I basically just put the boring ones in blue, so the things I actually have to do, like work and stuff and my 2 jobs. I'm not saying it's boring, but you know what I mean. And then the things that are important in purple, the things that are important in yellow, the fun things in purple, and then I've just added a few extra things that I need to like colour code. So yeah, that's that planning done. And then I've also made myself, so please ignore the way I look, because I actually do look very rough right now. I just haven't had time to do the self-care, if you know what I mean. I've also made a new like routine schedule. It's very messy, but I'm going to put it on like a canvas to make it look really, really cute. Because I just want to sort out my days and like what's set tasks I do on each day and stuff, because I feel like I overwhelm myself throughout the whole week by doing way too many things and like splitting them up between each day, and I just need to maybe dedicate a few things to one specific day, and then like all my daily routines and stuff that I usually do or want to achieve are on this page. So I'm going to put it on like a little canvas and make it look pretty on my wall. And I'm going to make it seem fun and interesting. So instead of saying like I have to do all these, it's more of a you get to do these if you want to. And I want to aim to do around 1 to 3 of these habits a day. So 1 to 3 of the habits in the morning, the daily ones, and the evening habits as well. Just to get myself back in the swing of getting into a routine, because I'm really not in a routine at the moment. And I think that's why my mental health plummeted a little bit, because I've overwhelmed myself and not been getting enough rest, and there's been a lot of change, and I just need to get myself back on a good level, especially with like getting good sleep and just having a good evening routine and stuff. So that's something I'm going to try, instead of being scared of the fact that I feel strange at the moment. I'm going to try and make a difference about it. So editing today, I need to do the clean of the house, go to my cleaning job, and just more editing basically, and just prepare for next week and stuff. So yeah, was that a bus?
No, it was a red van. Oh. Don't know why the colour was necessary, but...
Okay. But yeah, that's an update. Ooh, and maybe I'll look nicer later. We'll see.